Never prepared, dude. Oh my bad, I forgot to connect the mic. Give me a second, guys. That's funny. Oh man. Oh man. Hold on, I'll make the screen open in the meantime while we begin to look into the charts. It has not been an easy week. Well, talking from this week at least. Second, guys. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. We're back. 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 We are back. All right. Time to go small again, real quick. All right. So that was saying, it has not been a week. It's been pretty tough week to understand what the bias is. Like, just because it was Monday. So my goal for the week is here, right here. We can get there. This new week opening. I mean, this fair value again. Right there, you see. That's my goal. But I am aware that we can have a minor rejection because we are in a higher time frame fair value gap. So we have a little pullback. But overall, I'm trying to reach to this blue circle, blue square, or purple, whatever you want to call it, lavender. I have no idea what it is, right? So yesterday, I was aware of this on the 4 hour as well. Oh, that's funny. Now I had to replay. That's so funny. No more scammers out here. So yeah, I was aware of this. I was. The only reason I just didn't take it was for two reasons. One, the most important one being is it was Monday, right? The second one being it was no news. Same as was today. But at least with Tuesday, I could like anticipate a certain movement, because I usually expect Monday to consolidate and then Tuesday to manipulate, but there's still gonna be movement regardless. So that's why that's why I didn't really want to take a trade today, yesterday. So cool. This was my draw for the technically for like I say for like intro week, but this is overall my higher time for draw. So then this happens. We just should have shoot yesterday. Oh wait, yo, before I forget. Let me log in. Let me log in a trade with you. Because every time when I don't log in that same day, I get a freaking what is it called? A little. I get logged out. Excuse me, but I'm really inside. So then this happens. It does take that out, and I was a little upset, but it is what it is. So now this will become my draw. I would just mark it as previous day's high. The hell? Oh, previous day no. But yeah, it hasn't been an easy week for sure. Last week I took two trades. I think two trades literally. Um, like I'm not upset to be honest, because those are trades I would have taken regardless. The only one I was a little, I don't know, was that the week before that? Um, I don't know, but I think I got to the point with trading where I don't take any really dumb trades anymore like I used to. I guess it feels good because it means I am progress. Whoa, that's crazy! I did not see that. Oh no, I did. Alright, so yeah, that's gonna be my draw for today. Previous days, if you could get there. I am aware we already rejected the daily um I am aware we rejected already the daily time frame. Oh no 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 they both take it. Okay, not bad. So what am I looking for today? I am bullish. I'm not gonna try to, go against the higher time frame trend. I am bullish, guys. I'm looking for manipulation, a sell off at the beginning of the market, and then easy steps. We have a new week opening gap. I will be risking a pretty decent amount too. Today, not crazy, but definitely more than 100, maybe 150. Just because these are usually my setups. We have a new. Usually when we take London low into a new week opening gap, and then obviously reverse from that. That's usually my A plus setups. The only reason I just don't like it is because I kind of did want to see a lower excuse me guys, a low retracement perhaps into here and just go higher. Same thing with you guys. From this to this, you know, like I could expect we could dig into this a little deeper, but just a wick, and then it eventually starts buying back up. Um, but yeah, I mean, other than that, it's really been a little rough for sure. And I know it's been rough too, because I know that I shouldn't be using an excuse, but for the people that I do watch as well, they've been having a hard time too. And it's freaking dull because I took like the two of the trades that I took last week. Like I know I shouldn't compare myself, obviously, but you kind of do have to in the beginning, so you can start seeing your progress, and eventually you get bigger. And I mean, as you get better, and that you begin to fly on your own. But for now, um, yeah, I mean, I took the trade that not both of them took the same, not both of them took the same trade. I'm talking about like one of them took this trade and another one that I watched took another trade, but they both took the same trade as I did. And yeah, I mean, what can I do? You know, like prices just being weird. It's been hard. It's been hard because it hasn't been like very. Mm, let me see if we have any higher time frame SMTs or something. You know what I mean? Or something. Mm, I should really not put that there. But yeah, let's have a big inverse right here. I am aware for sure. That's what I'm saying. Like, oh, really? Don't really think like crazy major I guess requirement for me to see for reverses on the low taken out. You know, after that, like I don't really need anything crazy. Like in the new week opening gap. Other than that, like yeah, I guess we could go with the differences, but my high reversal points from here. Yes, and we are getting a setup, which is really good. Good. Hmm. So I haven't seen Jam. I apologize. I doubt anybody's here, but if you are, like, okay, okay, nobody's here. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take it out for a bit. I am gonna have a new week opening gap. Nice sell off, which is really what I wanted to see. We haven't opened yet. Sorry. I apologize. I apologize. But I like where it's going. Like I do want to see a sell off in the beginning. I want to see a sell off. Why don't we choose a random template? Okay, so we have ES, which I rather have NQ up here. And have ES here. And then have NQ here. Again, I'm not gonna risk crazy too much just because there's no news. But I will risk it for sure a little bit more than usual. I don't want to see us get reversed. I want to see us continue farming bearish order block. We are tapping into a 15-minute order block. I want to rejection from there. Well, guys, I'm literally freaking tired. You know what this means? It's a sign from the universe. I need coffee. Electronic. Oh shoot, that is pretty big. Okay. I am bullish today. Like I said, when I told you guys that, like, I already seen a rejection from this Chevrolet guy. And the thing is, the other thing what's been so confusing for me, if I'm really being honest as well, is because we haven't gotten like a deeper retracement. You know, we've literally just been reacting from the upper Chevrolet up and left the bottom one open, which I guess is better now because they can just consider a breakaway gap to continue high. But I'm more of a, if I have a deeper pullback, a little bit, nothing crazy. I know that wasn't here because I want to feel as much comfortable, but like here. I could have a higher risk reward or like more days to play around this range, you know. But now since we ran from here and we have here now, we just took our liquidity. So I'd rather have just gone here than have a rejection and then the next another rejection, higher and higher. Sorry, so that would give me more days to trade for that long buy. But since we just reacted from that first up one, it just makes it harder. It just makes it that much harder. But yeah, no, I'm saying it's obvious. Color's nasty too. Freaking mustard. Mustard color. Yikes. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting for I'm really just waiting for sweep. Oh, nothing too hard. That's really it. Mhm. You ever had those trading days where it kind of just makes you like the market just so hard it just makes puts you like in a really bad a loophole where you just begin to overthink stuff and you're like, bro, like, am I not gonna be ready for this market? Like that was me yesterday. I don't know why. I just began to overthink like crazy stuff. Like, what if it doesn't work out anymore? Like, what if I'm just stupid negative thoughts. What I tend to do on days like that happen, when things like that, when days like that begin to happen, what I realize happens to me is go outside. Literally, just go outside and just chill, enjoy. The freak was that? Just enjoy life. Well, I was going to play basketball. Yeah, that's my drama. I we can expand from this. I know we can reject this because there's a freaking free radicals left of us above us go eyes, but this is also a breaker. Uh, I should have a light. Take a focus. I'm not gonna set it on here. There's no point. I'm gonna set it on EQ. Excuse me. Yeah, I know we are within this busy as well, but like I said, if we could get a little sub rate in a clear market structure to the upside, I wouldn't really be hesitated in long in it. So far, so good, I guess. I mean, remind you, we open gaps. There we go. I'm getting ready. Obviously, depending on how much top this looks. My TP will be the easy partial one there, and then just go high. I just feel like the market's been such a weird place. I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would. I don't want to see this. I really don't. Yeah, I just read it. What happened to my box? What happened to my box? Please, I'm in Kia. My box. There it is. I guess we did tweet, but no. No, we haven't. We haven't swept it. I definitely want to see London outfit. I'm not gonna take a trade before that. Like, there we go. Beautiful. Sometimes when price wants to be ugly, it wants to be ugly, but when it wants to be beautiful, it wants to be beautiful. Nice. We did take London though. What would I need to see here? Alright, so we did take London now, guys. Um, I guess if we close above this breaker, then I would use that to go higher. But I want to see something on Can I get in there early somehow? Not really. I'm on MNQ now. I'm gonna wait for 10 more minutes. If we close above this, I'm probably gonna get in. If we can close above it, because then there's probably a change state of the delivery. Or an order block, aka. Hey, what the freak? Oh, it's an empty order block. Oh, what the freak? If we can close above it. And this would be considered a breaker too. I guess I can wait for the breaker. No, I'm going one. Then wait till. Oh, no, okay, I guess I could just wait for 950. I'm waiting for 950, guys. If we would want to go high, if we do. No closure, guys. No closure so far. This will be the breaker here. We are getting SMTs. Put the midnight opening price for that one. I didn't. Just wait. I've seen it way too many times. It does. It goes down one more time, and then it does a real move after 9:30. I mean, sorry, at 9:50 to 10, or after 10. I want to see what 8:30. Yeah, we're still adjusting. We could revisit this wick one more time. Here. Okay, so now this would be a market structure shift. Yeah, I would prefer to see closure above this. We are inside that wick, you guys. To go higher. I was still need a closure above this. Mm-hmm. Then that guys were just waiting really. We do it in a 5 minute, right? Let's just say we do get a nice closure above this again. Wait, hold up. Yeah, I want to do closure above this. But I just feel like we're in a good scalping market right now where I could be able to just get in from. I just hope we get a nice trade, dude, because we have gotten a pretty good trade since then. But usually this would be considered an A plus setup. We have clear highs, outside swept, London swept. Like, bro, we ended, baby. Let me just be patient, guys. Be patient, dude. The trade comes to us. We don't chase it. I would really just demand a M2 order blocks entry. Sorry, my phone is really distracting right now. But yeah, I mean, it's really, we don't think about it too much. Trade, guys. That's our A plus setup. What do you mean? My accuracy in the trades are around 60% or so. Like now that since I'm a little bit more patient with waiting for certain things, like I could really just be. I really wish we had this limit to be this fast and getting from here. A limit would be here. That's what I guess be. I think it could be here. I mean, bro, we're not gonna try to think that. If we're just gonna be wrong, we're gonna be wrong. You know, like there's no point trying to. Right here though. Something like that, you know. And that would offer me a pretty decent trade if I'm being honest. Yeah, not bad. And then I guess we could leave one runner, most break even. I'll just take everything because like the way the market is moving, guys, and it's Tuesday, no news. Like I don't really expect much. Yeah, that's my trade for the week. Good. Um, looking at it right now. Let me write this down. Did I spell engage? I think so. Hey. I'm a trader, not an English teacher. Um, what am I looking at right now? Oh yeah. Again, guys, I'm not gonna get in this. Like, you see, this way you wait for time. Just waiting. I'm literally just waiting at this point. Let me just take a picture of this real quick so I know what I'm looking for. You see how we have this wick? I just didn't like this wick to the upside. That's my only, I guess, only little roadblock to price one higher smoothly right here. But we'll see. We'll see. I just want to see a breakthrough there. I do not want to see a respect. Again, guys, all I'm waiting for here is just a market structure shift to the upside to engage. By then, this would be a change to delivery. And yeah. Why not this candle? This candle because it has one series of candles that push price and we haven't really closed below it or above it. This is just like a middle candle, you can call it. But by then, we're probably gonna have a market structure higher and then engage for that. But then just wait. By the way, I'm not scared of this. Like, why not expect this? Because we already did. Like, the thing is, guys, like, with me, I would also I kind of do better than the higher time frames. But if you know what price is, like, for example, right? Like, the damage has already been done here, right? We already took liquidity here. Why would we want to continue? We can, don't get me wrong. But logically speaking, if the damage is here, then we also create SMTs. So this low should not be protected. So this price right here, think about it like this leak thing, but like maybe it's because this little fair value reacting to it going lower. The higher time frame damage has already been done. This is just gonna, it could react to it. Don't get me wrong, because it's obviously a fair value, yeah. And you just have a little bounce. But if you just bounce back into another fair value on the bullish side now, or order block, or break, or whatever it is, and then just continue higher. So yeah, that's sometimes you struggle with Reddit too. Like like why did I, you know, the only thing I just really don't like, if I'm being honest, is like that 5 minute. We're not closing below it, so we're still fine. And sometimes I would also like kind of fears like, oh, like, what if we come like that? Like what if we just come down and take it? We did, I guess, but yeah, just wait now. Like I said, we could go lower, bro. Cause just because we also had this house, it would have been better if we would have reacted from there. But what can we do, right? If we get an inverter here and then right here, I just don't like. I don't want to say a strong closure though for sure. But for me, then I just want to say like normal candles. Because if we see like strong momentum, that means we're closing below London, and then that means we're probably going to be going a little lower for the my time being. I just wanted to see a nice rejection, especially like around this area. Like I said, it is normal for us to trade into this area, but I just want to see a nice candle, nice little wick, an immediate rebalance back up. You know what I mean? I don't want to see. I don't want to see. So we still got to go 50% of this range, which is around here. We also have this right here. I tend to do this one like 50% level. Yeah, we tap into it by the way. We just tap into it, guys. Let's go. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Oh, short term bullish at least, because I just didn't like that we took this already. I wanted to see that today or tomorrow a bit better. Um, did we? No, we haven't. 50% of the level is here. But we did go for NQ, no? I don't think this would be the move, because then, they just put that to be safe. But I would kind of expect a reversal from me. It'll be fine for me. Whereas I think 50% of the content from coaching level, like, we do have we could close below the FPGM too. I would want to see low key a strong closure above it. Higher. Okay. I'll probably go on one contract just because, like, and then add on another one to be have a nicer. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Look at R. What do we have in the family? I don't want to see a strong close. We got 8 minutes to go. Yeah, soon to be 5 minute fair value. Yeah. Alright, guys, enough 50 macros here. I would really want to begin to start seeing price go by now. Um, yeah, really just go by now. And then just a reversion. This is what's bothering me this week right here though. For sure, I would need to see it disrespect on the lower time frames. Run through it. I would not want to see the disrespect. Again, I'm just waiting for signs of bullishness coming in the market. Nice, there we go. Okay, for market structure shift somewhere here. Let's see how it closes though. The stop loss would be here. Shouldn't really come all the way down there, but even maybe the side station. Or we could really wait till here. Consider this an auto block now. Yeah, we could get it from here. I would rather just have two PD rays on my side. Stop loss, I guess, could go here. I'll put it here just for the sake of it, but I need a sheet closure though, preferably. How much time is left? 20 seconds left. Alright. Why did I get in that? Alright, so now we do have a breaker slash thingy. Nice rejection. But I do want to see though. I think we kind of did get a high thingy price, but it's fine. Um, I definitely don't. We could see a revisit of this week, which wouldn't be too much in my favor. Well, my stop loss is above that. I don't think I need this much of a stop loss if I'm really being honest. That should be fine. All right, I'm in this. We have a BPR here now. That's what I'm saying. I wouldn't want price to come all the way down here. Like, the only reason I have it just to be safe, but because technically it's like my first clean trade since I felt like pretty decent on it, but hey man, anything can happen, right? We are tapping out to the fair value gap. I would preferably want to stay above it. definitely see everything going in the right place. We do have this wick, right? I mean, we haven't really gotten a closure, which I guess is only a patient part, but I mean, I just want to see it. I just want to see it. I don't like that wick though. I just don't like it. I don't even want to see price come back far further down into it. Well, guys, now we just submit. We just submit to the trade. That's what I'm thinking about the market. Like, it's been so trash. We do have a fair value gap on that one. I would want to see a nice rejection for that. I don't want to see anything too crazy. We didn't really get a market structure. Hold on, I want to see the SMT though. Hold on, let me start comparing this. Um, they were wrong. We're wrong, bro. Like, I freaking sucks, but here's what it is. I definitely do not want to see a closure of that opening, the whole range. Like I said, I don't want to see a closure of that whole thing for sure. Mm, we didn't have a 5 minute insurance sector, but I'm just expecting a clean run up there now. We got 26 seconds left. Yeah. Fifteen, 14, 12, 10, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. So yeah. Again, should I just have it here? Yeah, there's no point, right? I'm wrong for sure. There's no point trying to move it up and down. So I like that. I like that. I like that wake back up. Like I said, I do expect a push perhaps a little lower. Yeah, like now. Try to revisit that. Hopefully we stay above it though. Probably this. To indicate strength at least. Stay above this. 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh, what the Yeah, I want to see wake closures for quick just above that. I know now I want to see a closure. Whoa, that shit was crazy. What was that? You have 10 open. I definitely want to see up move now. And I can move my stop loss. Good here. Here we can have a nice movement up. Nice. Okay, so we do have the 10 a.m. candle. Nice waking. Cool. I want to see above now. Stay above it. I can move my stop, I guess, here. Um, where did it again from? Got in here, right? Yeah. My stop loss is here. I definitely just want to go up and out from here. I do not want to see no type of dilly dallying. What about the 5 minute? Yeah, I mean, what can I do now? This might just surrender to the trade, you know? Believe what you've been doing for the past 2 years will work. You know? That's really what it comes down to. 10:02. I just really low key I wanted a nice Wednesday just because it's been such a trash week, you know. So I just want to have like that relief moment, like okay, the market's still doing what it's supposed to do. It's just been super, super duper annoying. Not good. We do have this 3 minute fair value gap right here. I just want to start seeing this placement higher now, though. At this point, if I'm really being honest. I mean, it's not a bad trade. I definitely would take a trade. I'm just a little, I don't know. I'm just a little upset. Like, I haven't gotten a good trade, especially because I've been like a little losing trade. It's just super duper annoying for me. And like this trade could have been like, okay, cool. Now we're back. Okay, we're good. We're back on track. Just focus now. We're good. Like, again, this is why we could come down here. We did tap into this fair value gap right here. The 1 hour. You see? That's why I'm not too upset. Like, if it fails, I'm really gonna freaking suck. But if we do, right? We're still closing within that trade. I just want to start seeing the spacing higher, dude. I definitely I'm tempted to more stop loss here because there's no reason price should be coming down here anymore. Really, if it is, it's just gonna chop around now. We're still staying within this fair value gap though. We still just haven't seen this order, but I just want to start seeing displacement now. Hey man, shooting is fun, right? Low BPR. Right there, right there. This whole thing's BPR. On the low. Yeah, this whole thing would be the BPR. This right here. Because this is a little bit stuck between these two. Again, like I said, I was a little tempted through it here. Like I knew we were probably gonna retrace lower just because of this freaking wick right here. I'll show it to you guys. From here to here, wicks are for rally gaps, so think about us coming down to try to play around with them, retap them before going higher. Oh look, we're finally getting this lifting. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Come on, dude, just start. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I definitely gotta watch out for some teeth because if you do, then that's not gonna be good for me at least. Cool, we're getting some decent spacing, I guess. Dude, is my internet slow? Why it just keep doesn't let me? But yeah, I just want low key. Obviously I don't want. I'm not forcing it, but I just would really like a nice one today to bring me back up to good pricing, I guess. I could start risking back more. Because if I lose, then this could kind of force me to reduce my risk again. Week. I kind of low key wouldn't. I don't want to play on the defensive side. You know, I want to start increasing my risk a little bit higher. So, in order for that to be the case, I think I'm gonna stop loss here, bro. I don't really think there should be a reason for it to come down anymore. We're still below 50% of that. I just trim my little risk a little bit. I'm gonna get stopped out. Mm. Sure, just have it was. Mm-mm. Not looking good. Now we just submit to the trade. Ah, dude, like I said, I really have wished it was a nice trade today. It looks like it's a high resistance. You know what? Let's just go back here because it might want to come down and sweep it one more time. Let me have it below this auto block. Yeah, that's it for sure. It's gonna come down. It's gonna take it eventually because we could form SMTs here. Sucks, but idea for me. That's one thing I don't like today. I did move my stop loss, but it just makes sense because we could come down here, sweep this one more time, and then go higher. Let me go on the 1 minute real quick. We're still staying within that fit. That's what I'm saying. We could have SMTs. I feel like the lows. That's why I just rather be cautious. This is the last thingy. We should not really be coming at anymore. I would if we reverses go higher, then I'm definitely moving my stop here again. Well, here now, but for now, I just can't even do that right now, bro. I just can't. Dude, this is definitely gonna force me to have to reduce my risk for the week now. It's just which is why I said I prefer not to have done that. We are revisiting that 50% level again, dude. So annoying. Right there. We're so close. So close. Bro, freaking having a losing day and then this stupid song in the background. The car guy running around. We're close. Hands off. Hands off, guys. Hands off. This is where the discipline has forced. We just had a sweep of the lows. Yeah. Why I said we could have had a little sweep more. We had an NQ as well. Can we go from here? That'd be pretty dope, not gonna lie. But I don't know. If we get inverses immediately, then I would feel much confident. But for now, not really. Because now I think it becomes an inverse. Yeah. Something that Tanya taught me as well is like if we were able to bear this, we're definitely gonna have to bear this now, like to the upside. I don't want to see no respect for show. I want to see this guy immediately rebalanced. I mean, overtaken. Uh-oh. Well, here it comes. Some moment shoot, guys. We're not looking good. Good. I wonder if she took the same trade as me. Mm-mm. No, she hasn't. That's not good. He's in shorts. Oh no, he's in longs too. Yeah, his stop is here though. He's in longs too. Okay, cool. At least one of them took the same shirt as me. That's pretty dope. Man, that's not looking good, huh? Like I said, I really have wished there was a good shirt today, just because kind of do want to move it. It just doesn't make sense. Like if I'm gonna be wrong, I'm gonna be wrong. You know, that's what he told me. Like, there's no point trying to do that with your stop loss. If you're wrong, you're wrong. You know, just trying to save up an extra. That's what happened to me last time too. Yeah, I really want to start seeing bullishness here, please. Come on, we're just inverses. If it can get inverse, I'll be way more confident. I can move my stop loss up to here now. This is a painful trade for sure. Come on, come on, come on. Trying to where my trade is. I entered from here. I'm just been straight dogging. Oh, these things are disgusting, dude. Hmm. Bro, this if this break next, what's 1 hour looking like? Yeah, dude, it's not looking good. Hmm. We're within for Sibi, busy as well. Not good to have you there. Those things in the chart. I know when to be pure. I don't really need to freaking too much. Not good to have like the what's the word? Like the I'm gonna give it a timestamp at 10:30. It's weird, like yeah, like I'm gonna lose and shit, and I know I shouldn't. This is the order block. I really want to see this get quickly inversed. I don't want to see this get. We got a new 15-minute candle. Pretty cool. Cool. That's cool. But yeah, like I said, I really wish they had a nice win today, just because you know, like there's no better feeling than having a win after having a losing streak. You know. The only thing I'm proud of myself, I guess the only thing I did bad was move my stop loss too much, but that's because I kind of knew we might have just low key came back to take this and go higher. And that's why I'm like, yeah, okay, now I'm good. And it's just not, I'm gonna be really upset, you know, like that happened to me last time where I just moved my stop loss a couple little ticks. Excuse me. Is my internet dog crap or why is it not? Or is it just? I would really want to see this get inverted, dude. It would nothing would make me happy right now. Any sense of hope left if this could get inverted. not respected. Just inverted, turns into an inversion. Yeah, I mean, it's been a little suckish price, but I would really want to see it inverted. Perhaps even, bro, 100% closure above this, I would make me feel so much better. I'll move my stop loss back to here now, and then pressure really not come down here anymore, because then there would be a breaker. Virgin completed. Price has been rebalanced already, so price should not come down here at all anymore. So yeah, I mean, one could only wish, you know. But I want to see a closure above here first. Move my stop loss. It's just so priced and so trash, dude. 122. Was it worth it? I mean, I don't know, cause like I feel like we go a little higher. This was my goal for the day today, but I should not expect it too much for two reasons. The first one being nice, cool, nice. Come on, close above that. I gotta watch out for this because we might get SMT here. I definitely gotta watch out for that because we might get SMTs here, and that's not good for me. I moved my thinking now because this is an inversion. This is a BPR now. If this is about it's definitely balanced now. So and then we have technically a breaker now. Technically want stop loss more now. If you could close above this, of course. The 2 minute look partly clear. I would need a closure above this though. I would need a closure above that. Alright, then this would be a BPR. Basically this whole thing. But I would need a strong closure and then we would have in the lower time frames. Yeah, I mean, pressure not come down anymore. If it's gonna go higher. But we're still alive, guys. We're still alive for sure in this race. It kind of sucks, but right, dude. How do I feel right now? I don't know. It's weird. Like I'm angry in the inside, but like I'm annoyed and I'm angry, but I'm not mad in the sense that I followed. The only thing I would guess is I broke my weakness since I moved my stop loss, but it's because I knew the notch behind it. You know, like I knew this could have been swept. That's why I'm like, yeah. And then I would be upset if I got stopped down then when I'm my favorite, but I would really want to see a closure above this now. Nice, cool. I want to say closure above this. Why? Why this high? It will be a breaker. These last cute. Like, I'm gonna show you guys what a breaker is. Just some of you guys don't know. All of these candles is prior to this move down. You know, so this took liquidity. This becomes a breaker now. So this is what if you got a high above here. I'm moving my stop now. There's no point. It's coming down anymore. Cool. We finally in profit. Yippee! So yeah, this is a breaker. These last two candles, send it forward. It's a breaker now. Price should not come down anymore. We have a breaker. We have inversions now. We have BPRs now. Price should just really spool from here, guys. Do we have a change to delivery? Yes, we do. Now we have a 5 minute change to delivery. Now we have M5 changes to delivery. Cool. Is thingy lagging or is it just? Oh, it is probably my internet. would have. I want to see this left open, preferably, if it's gonna be any good. We have a breaker now. Yeah, we have a break. Oh, dude, I don't like that. I want to see closures. Closures, closures, closures. Come on, baby. Give me closures. Give me some closure. Alright, that's not so weird. But yeah, I mean, yeah, impression not really coming down anymore. It is, I guess, stopped that for now. I don't even know how many losses. Let me see. 437. Oh, dude. We did have M1 closure here, so that's why I marked it as a breaker here. Let me take this off. It's really distracting. This becomes a breaker. Come on, bro. Don't do this to me. I want to have a nice little one for the one time. I haven't been in a really clean trade in so long, bro. Like, so long. See? I don't like this. I want to see a closure above that. I'll be happy. Very happy. At this point, we kind of dished rich. Let me see something. Let me see something. How much of my risk be if I enter here? My stop loss is here. 79. But I was risking 2, right? How much is this each tick on NQ? 138. Yeah, I did lower my risk level, which I'm happy, I guess. Dude. It should like a support now for sure. Yeah, price should not come down anymore. If it is, then we're just not gonna be in a good price. And we just SMTs. Oh no, we didn't. This needs to hold now. I'm gonna take this off. I already know what I was looking at here. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for. You see, this is an order block, a breaker, an inversion. That's what I'm saying. Like this needs to hold now. Like I would not want price to come down anymore. I think we have an M5 thingy though. Yeah, right here, a 5 minute fair value gap. Which I'm kind of tempted now to move my stop loss now to what's 50% of this candle. Yeah, you see, look. I'm gonna stop a little bit more now. I just don't like that with. Oh, we in a 5 minute. Bro, we didn't even have a 5 minute thingy on the ass. I want to see strong closures above that now. I kind of want to take one off here. Originally, how much do we have here, right? This is not an easy trade. usually we tapped into an M3. Like I said, we had an M5 water block now. Slash. This sucks, dude. This really sucks. I just wish we had like straight push low for the next 10 minutes, just straight up shooting. But man, it's just trading. What is the only thing I guess I did wrong today? It was just my stop loss. What is 50% of this body lag? Body. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, we're stopped. The hell is this, dude? We're stopped. There we go. Wait, what the fuck? Why is it? Why did it take out two of my orders like that? Not. I want 35. I lowered my risk. There we go, guys. I'm stopped. Bro, what the fuck was this? If it throws a button, I don't even know if it would want to go higher. I would go on one contract though. What is it really worth? Look at price, dude. Look at price. Let me put my executions. This was a nasty candle. 1029. Yeah, where's the doodle? I guess we can get above here. I'll try another long here. Right there. We close above here, then I'll get in there, and then my stop loss would be here. And again, my TP would be all the way up here. Just have risk now, because I just took loss. I was able to mitigate my risk a little bit. I mean, at the end, it's no point price shift on all this. But whatever. Oh yeah, it sucks, dude. Sucks. I mean, at least I did become a risk a lot. I was risking like 250, right? This is a red flag. This should have been a red flag for me. This right here, like that. I'll wait for the 1050 micro at least. That's the last mark I'm waiting for. That's an aggressive wick. Oh, wow, still in the trade. That's crazy. I'll give this another long try. If we could get some sort of SNCs at the bottom. Not looking good, dude. Not looking good. If you get some sort of SNCs here and then displays this high, around 1050, then yeah, consider long again. Top price, I mean, I'm down technically, but I can make the back in a one good trade, dude. Back to break even or so. I just gotta be very disciplined, I guess, for myself. Not tilt, because usually this is where I would tilt. But it is what it is. It's weird, like I'm not emotional anymore. Like I obviously I am deep down, but in a sense where it doesn't really affect me as it used to. Which is good, I guess, right? Well, I wish it would have been good on the other end too, where I'm getting the positive side. We'll just wait, guys. We'll just wait. Because we are respecting this 50% that we're here. Okay. And we're still within this 5 minute wick right here. There's a 930 price open. I just realized. 930 here. Bro, dude, what the freak is this? How do I get? It's so promising. This looks so gorgeous. Like this beautiful inducement. I mean, price run. I'll get it from there. Got it from the order run, actually. Yeah, right. Yeah, I don't know why I just did this. It's weird. Like I meant to get in here, but I don't even know where. 21, 419. 21, 419. There, why? Why did I mean there? I mean, it's the same thing, no? What's the opening price of that? The opening. What's the closing? Opening. 214, 430. Oh no, yeah, half a tick, which is not bad, but we're still within the order block. Where my stop loss be? Hold up. Yeah, I guess below this one low that took me out. I will get back in, but I'll move to break even here. About a 2 minute. Yikes. But why, bro? This is a breaker now. Let's go close the puppet. Cool. Here's another chance. I am going one thing now though. Wow, bro, are you kidding me, dude? I'm 40. Okay, so then I really don't expect price to come in anymore. Too much. I was stuck in the accumulation phase. I'm willing to long from here. Look at that man. Dude, that's so annoying, bro. Nah, I do want to tilt. I got stuck in this nasty. Vamos hablar here. Allora, vai che ne con this family, right? This would be a 5 minute quick photo block. The potion block too. I would want to stay above that candle. Hey, yeah, I'll get him from there. That sucks, bro. Get stuck in all this. If this happens, oh, it's fine, it's fine. Just pay attention right again. Well, the two does look clean though, I'm not gonna lie. What the frick is this, dude? Mm, this is FPGM too. Yeah, I feel like it might. I'm getting because I feel like in a sense it might leave me now because we're already in the communication phase, and now I'm expecting the distribution phase. until yeah. I'll be trying this, guys. You can clean in 2 minutes. The question though is, oh, you know what? I'm going with one. It tagged me already. Okay, no, I didn't. I'm going with one. And here goes the lower I'll add into it. And 43. Hey, tag me, bruh. It will now become a 5-minute version. Everybody have some. So I'm saying, like, I'll just wait. I'll go with one. Come on, bro. Don't do this to me. Tag me in. Tag me in. That's crazy. You really didn't tag me in, though. Dude, real. I kind of really don't want to press come back here anymore. But, hey, I'll just leave it. Yeah, so right now I'm just trying to get it. If I could get this to R, I could technically make my loss, which is cool, I guess. Come on, dude. This is so annoying, though, for real. Like, yeah, I'll go in for it one more time. With half the risk. I am really upset. I'm really upset, though. Not gonna lie to you. Just because I would expected that. Oh my gosh, this hurts. This hurts, dude. Reggie was here. I gotta study why he didn't move his stop loss. His trade, I guess. I would need to move to break to reduce my risk real quick here. Because I think we're in the expansion phase now. This was accumulation. Let me see if we tap into this. I'm gonna open it one more time. That sucks, dude. Mm. Are you really not gonna try one after what you did to me? Cool. This piece of crap, Mark, is not gonna tag me in. What did you say to me? Funny. You're one funny piece of guy, you know that. This world could be a 5-minute version. I would want to say about that. For sure. That's so funny, dude. I had a funny dude, you know that, right? You have a funny ass market. Bro. This might be a breakaway gap, if I'm being honest. I want to see what we do on top of that micro. I'm thinking though. This is my last chance, guys, at 10:50. This is disgusting, not a rock. You need tag man, though. Let me see if he's even worth it, dude. Guess so. There we go. Oh my gosh, what the fuck was that? I'm about to close, bro. I kind of want to close. Bro, that week was disgusting. That was scary. That was a scary week, dude. What the heck was that? That was a scary ass week. Yeah, that was a crazy work. I love you. Didn't even want to be in. That was crazy. What the heck was that? I want you to stay above that for sure. Expand higher. Mm. Maybe we could get a little piece of the pie. I did wait when I needed to wait. Kind of do want to take. Oh great. Oh my gosh, that was kind of crazy. I'm gonna. Uh, I'm trying to make that. Well, I should be thinking about this, but I'm risking 70, 70 going 40. Yeah, there's nothing like to be break even. It just does playable. I just want to take my 1 to 1 cent. I ain't like that with cattle, dude. Oh, either that or I'll try to just move to break even and just let the rest ride. So, I'll see. I'll see what it does. That was a crazy way to anything. I don't want to hear Resident Speak, dude. Like, it's just been doing this all the time. Expand, man. I'm reading a trade, so I can't prepare it whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna go to that. Let's bring up that 5 minutes. Yeah. I want to see expansion now quickly. You can stop out. Oh, I did? Holy shit. That's fine, dude. I'm done for the day. Yeah, it's been tough. To me, this bullshit right here where it just decides and it just went up. Even then, right? Look, even then, right? Even when I got in here, I wish it would have been up before I got. Bro, I didn't even move to my truck as much.